It's not something you want to think about, but it can happen to anyone, anytime, and anywhere. What would you do if a fire broke out in your building? When it's time for you to get to safety, will you be prepared? Following 9/11, we decided that no one should be left behind. We gathered to develop the ultimate family lifesaver, SkySaver. SkySaver is a multi-story rescue backpack designed to save you and your family. Simply put it on, clip it to your pre-installed anchor, and descend from your window to safety. We tested and certified the SkySaver to provide safety in the most extreme conditions, and we made sure it's easy for everyone to use. For you, for your loved ones, and even for your beloved pet. Put your family's safety back into your own hands. Be prepared. Be a SkySaver.